We are going to see cinnamon. Cinnamon is world famous. World coming to take cinnamon from Sri Lanka. Here we are going to see cinnamon and smell the cinnamon smell, good smell. So we are going to see how they are making come final product. This is original cinnamon stick. Okay, we are going to clean like this. A special knife using for this. It's very good to smell, but not using for the food. So we are just, it's a wastage of the cinnamon stick. Brass stick we are going to clean to make it smooth. We are going to cut layers. This is how we are peeling off the layers of the cinnamon. With the true hospitality, we are going to have some cinnamon tea. Thank you so much. This is the wood piece and we cannot use for any purpose. We will throw away. From the cinnamon stick, only this part we are going to take for the product, final product. So how we are wrapping this one? 29 inches pieces. So automatically get it. After that we are keeping in this 8 days. This is a fresh one we peel and this is 8 days. This is the original cinnamon we can take. This color. Original color of the cinnamon. Cinnamon oil also. Boiler system we are just taking to take like a spirit. It's very nice smell. Yeah. So I'm going to have the smell. Really nice aroma. It's very expensive, costly. If you are having headache, we can just apply cinnamon drops here both sides in the head. Then after 2 minutes it will get burned. Then headache will go away. This is a secret from Sri Lanka. Also I'm going to sip cinnamon, traditional cinnamon tea. Nice smell, nice taste. Cinnamon product, cinnamon powder, oil, cinnamon. Traditional Sri Lankan house and the roof made of coconut leaves. It's very nice, eco-friendly, beautiful, and the floor is made of mud. Very nice. Here the wall made of mud, traditional house, and here very good #1 quality cinnamon.